How to use OBS Studio for streaming. OBS Studio is a free and powerful tool for live streaming and video recording. Here's a quick breakdown to get you started. Grab OBS Studio and download the latest version of your operating system. Open OBS Studio and familiarize yourself with the interface. The main sections are Sources, Scene, and Controls. Click the plus button in the Sources section. Click the plus button and select Game Capture or Window Capture, depending on how your game displays. Choose your game and window will pop up. Select the specific game window you want to capture, then adjust settings. And you can configure your stream by using settings, the output, and the audio. Then go live. In the Scene section, click the eye icon next to the scene you want to stream, and this makes it visible to your viewers. Click the Start Streaming button in the Controls section, and now you're live. Remember, practice makes perfect. Optimize for viewers by focus on delivering a smooth, high-quality stream. And explore resources as OBS Studio offers extensive documentation and tutorials online to delve deeper into its features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.